It's a great day for painting, couples painting that is, with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium.
Right here in Spring Hill, Florida.
Hello everyone.
On a rainy day.
Today I have a 10 by 10 canvas that, did you gesso this?
Yes, yep.
Okay, it's gessoed black. What I'm going to do today is try an experiment where I'm going to use DecoArt pouring medium and I'm going to pour it on the canvas and then put my paints over it and see if I get any more cells. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Hi, I'm back. Okay, so I spread out the DecoArt pouring medium.
What you got? Where'd you get that at? Got that over at, what?
I don't remember.
Oh, you don't remember?
No.
Oh, okay. Michael's or something like that, maybe? Blix?
No, not Blix.
Arch Crab House?
Okay. I'm putting white there. And I'm going to use all paints that have DecoArt medium in them. And then I'm going to do a swipe. A swivel swipe.
A swivel swipe.
Wish me good luck!
So this was dandelion yellow, apple barrel pure pink. What's that one? Apple barrel.
This is apple barrel tangelo.
Apple barrel.
Oh, sorry.
This is a gloss. Gloss tropical blue. Oops. And what's that? Tangelo, and that looks like green to me. Well, I like what you're getting.
I don't know. I don't know if it's too much paint.
It'll just go in the tray. It's too much.
Okay.
You have your rag?
I have my rag.
Okay.
It's.
I'll get on the camera.
Is that the way I do it?
Nope.
No, it's gotta be this way.
Yeah.
Oh, I am so weird. Okay. Ready? Should
Let me help
I?
you put it down in the back here.
Yes, probably. Please.
Okay.
Hopefully someday I'll be able to do it by myself.
I'll show you. Lay it down a bit. There you go.
Okay.
Nice and easy. Here you go.
Here I go.
Don't pull it apart. You're gonna go off the table.
These swipes are just not my. Nothing is my.
I see why nobody wiggles the swipe back and forth.
Yeah, I did good with the last one. There was only one spot that was bad. Well, not bad, but.
We'll pour it around. See if we've already got enough paint on it. That's for sure. Pretty colors. can't really see. You're not
Oh,
really
I'm sorry.
showing me here.
I know, I gotta remember that stuff. Am I not showing it again?
Oh, there you go. You're getting that crap covered on the bottom here. A little more.
I kind of like that there.
Yeah,
This here, like that.
I'm sure we can do our best to get rid of it.
Oh, this looks familiar. This looks like other ones I've done.
Maybe get it down that way a little. You know, to cover this black.
Yeah,
Or no?
I want to do this.
Oh, you want to cover the corner?
first. Yeah. Because that won't take as long to go down to. Oh. All right, let me do this side. Am I in the right way?
As long as you're facing me, dear.
Oh, you know why there's probably no cells? It's because I didn't use white.
You use the straight DecoArt.
I know. Well, maybe that. Maybe.
You use white. Use white. You put white across the top. Remember?
Oh yeah. Huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Huh. I'm glad I got that on camera.
Oh, there's
Tons of cells.
no. I guess if I can blow it out a little bit.
No, I don't. I think you're good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Man, we can paint over that as easy as we can paint over anything else. It's easy now. Easy now.
You choked me up. All right, guys. So that was an experiment. I don't know what to tell you. But I do know now why people don't do the little swervy
Yeah.
stuff. It is difficult to do. But maybe that'll be my forte.
Yeah.
I'll just have to keep practicing it.
There you go.
There's got to be something that I can do.
Oh, you do everything
Okay.
perfectly, dear.
All right, well, that's it for today. Please give us a thumbs up. Give us a like. Oh, that's a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends. We only have 9 subscribers. We'd like to have more so that more people that see this, maybe they'll enjoy it and encourage us to continue going on with this. This is Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium doing our couples painting. Go to eBay, check out our cheap artwork, cheap Charlie artworks, username johnhimm, and have a great day. Peace.